I greet you. The people you sent on an errand have come back.
Thank you. What about the boy?
He escaped. We caught only the girl.
Father, these men pushed me and shoved me like a common criminal. And they claim that you gave them the permission.
I wish you had brought me that ingrate Oja. But all the same, I thank you for bringing home my daughter.
But I said that these people, they shoved me and pushed me around.
Get into the house. I thank you again for bringing back my daughter. I shall compensate you adequately. You can go now.
Love away. One name, he gave love away.
So, why are you crying? Are you crying because I, your father, did not allow you to run away with that young man who has no place to call home, but a land where his killers wait for him? I'm asking you. Are you crying because I did not allow you to marry your own brother and commit incest under my roof? Let me warn you. If you know what is good for you, wipe your tears, lie down like a girl who is showing some remorse for what she has done wrong, and sleep. Have I ever touched you since your mother gave birth to you and left us? Have I? No. But you will force me to beat you this night until you lie down and sleep. One more thing. If you ever attempt to run away from this place and go and join that young man, I will send Elochukwu with 20 warriors to track you people and bring you back here. Then I will plant Elochukwu in the house here to watch your every movement, morning, day, and night. If I am not satisfied, he will even be compelled to sleep here to ensure that he monitors every move you make. If I'm not satisfied with that, I will get him married off to you, so we end this nonsense once and for all. As for Oja, if I see him near you again, I will bundle him back to the land of his father, to the killers of his father. Let them handle him. Now be a good girl. Lie down and sleep. I know you don't like Elochukwu. If you don't want me to bring him into this picture, behave yourself. Now lie down and sleep.
Dossier. I've come back to my senses. I was wrong not to have listened to you. But what is life if we do not make mistakes? Your son has gone out from life if we do not make mistakes. Neither does he agree to you. When it came to me that this ingrate was seen around this village and that he was possibly heading to your house to do you harm, and thou called Annie and we came over here urgently. Now, what should we do to him? Should we deal with him?
My enemies have rejoiced over me now because I was disobedient. And it cost me, Father.
Now let us curse on young men and take this boy away for punishment.
Leave him, let him be. In spite of everything, he's still my son.
Is that funny?
I don't like it.
Okay, let me ask you this.
Okay.
Let me ask you this. If I am 2 oceans and 3 rivers, what will you be?
2 oceans, 3. Okay, I'll be 5 fishes swimming in the ocean and 3 rivers.
Alright, you got it. You got it.
Okay, let me ask you.
Okay.
If I'm the wind and you're the bird, what will you do?
Fly.
Correct. But fly where?
In your wind.
Correct. Ask me your own.
Okay. Okay. Who stands to greet every pretty woman except his sisters and relatives?
No, ask me another one. Oh, Jay, you're naughty.
Okay. If I come to your house with Naye Edozie and his kinsmen, what have I brought?
Palm wine for marriage.
In particular, I'll ask again. If I come to your house with Naye Edozie and his kinsmen, what have I come to do?
Marry me. The palm wine is for the introduction, and if you come to my house with your father and his kinsmen, then you come to marry me.
And will you?
I will if you ask me to. That is, if you pet me.
Pet you? And is this how I pet you? Wait, let me ask you to. Let me ask you to be my wife.
A little bird told me that Nganga was seen here with you. So, I came to confirm the rumor. I have confirmed. What is she doing here? Let me answer your question. What he is doing with me is what you should not be caught doing with him. I will not give you the privilege of a response from me. All this while, you were not talking to me, keeping to yourself. I thought you were only doing this to please my father, so that he would not carry out the threat of forcefully bringing Elochukwu into my life. But now, I am confused. I hear you want to marry her urgently. Is this what you choose over me? Are you insane? Are you blind?
Oh no, my dear. My eyes are open, Soma. My spirit, my soul, and my mind are all open. And that is why I see further than you can see. I'm cutting her for now. When Oja will get married, you'll hear it loud and clear anywhere you are, and will not have to depend on rumors to get your story.
If it is not a shameful thing you are doing, loving your brother, why would you sneak into the farm to talk it over with him? Why don't you do it boldly in your house in front of your father? The mosquito is buzzing so loud. It wants me to hear it buzz. But I choose not to. Because I'm an eagle. And eagles and mosquitoes do not have any business holding talks. Look at you, eagle. The albino gets drunk and calls himself a handsome, fair-complexioned man. A man with scrotal enlargement disease gets drunk and says the size of his manhood is every woman's dream. Eagle indeed. Tell me another story. She does not love you. Can't you see it? She's only attaching herself to you because of her ambition to become queen someday when you go back to your village and become king. She told me this herself. Ask her.
I might have said I love the prince in him, but I love him too.
Sometimes, attractions start off for the wrong reasons, but grew real for the right reasons with the passage of time.
I do not believe this. This is not Oja. A boy I ran away with in the middle of the night. A boy so tender and so soft. A boy for whom I left the comfort and the security of my father's house to be with.
And let's just say I've had a rethink. My head is cleared now. My eyes are open. I can see better.
And what you see is in Ganga. You're not yourself. You're not yourself.
Then who am I?
You're a servant listening to the master's voice. You're doing all this to please my father. Nganga, he does not love you. It is I that he loves. We have a future together. Please, leave us alone.
It is only Oja who can tell me to leave him alone.
Oja, please tell her. Go on. Tell her. Tell her to leave us alone.
My future lies with this lady, and she will I marry someday.
Onyinye hunanya, anaego ya n'ahịa. Onyinye hunanya, etisi bịa were isi. Okwu ihunanya, ọ na-ere n'isi n'abụọ. Che, ije love away. Nwanne m, ị ga-ebugbukwa. Ije love away. Enyi m, ị ga-ebugbukwa.
the most. Loves the most. So you said. I think Summer loves the most. I have done everything wrong to her. I flaunt Nganga in her face and openly profess my affections for Nganga. And yet, Summer sulks, cries in secret, and stays good to me. Shall I not openly declare my love for her again? And get you to help me convince Nanye Dozie, since it's not against the gods.
No, it is not yet time. It is not yet time for that. A few more market days, a few more tests. As a matter of fact, when a man is willing to risk his future, he must convince himself beyond all doubts that he is going to do that for the right reason. For if he cannot convince himself, how then shall he convince others?
Have to eat my head off. You just look dull since morning. I mean, I still bother about you after what you did and it's still doing to me.
Let go, Summer. Romance and courtship under one roof just won't work. It just won't work.
But it worked for us before.
Before what?
It worked.
Before what?
Before you changed.
And I've settled to remain changed like that.
Oja, tell me the truth, okay? There's nobody around us. Just tell me the truth. All this is an act to please my father. Why?
I don't know.
You don't know? Look me in the eyes. Look me in the eyes and tell me you don't know.
I don't have time for this. I have work to do at the farm.
with you. If you do not come out, then I know that you're not a woman. Come and test my strength. Come out, woman to woman. Come out, thief! Thief!
Who is that? Someone? What has come over you?
Thief, come out! Oh, come out!
Come out!
Did you ask for me?
Yes, I called you.
I have come. No, stay out of this. I'm here.
I'm going to warn you for the very last time. For the very last time, Wanga, I swear, for the very last time, you should stay clear of Oja. For the very last time, if you do not stay clear of Oja, I will deal with you. I will deal with you. Ooh! Mother hen that wants to marry her brother. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Go and look for somebody else and leave your brother alone. He is not my brother. Woo! He is not my brother. We are in love with each other. Leave us alone.
Someone get back out! Hey! Oh! Someone!
You showed no respect for Obi, an elder like me. You showed no respect for his compound. You showed no respect for me, your own father. You even showed no honor for an unmarried maiden like you. You came out to fight. You came out to fight. Why? Because I, your father, said you will not marry a boy who is your own brother, who has since come to his senses and will not even want to marry you. You came out to fight.
Father, I say this for the uncountable time. Oja is not my brother, and he would never be my brother. If the love that you have for him makes you feel towards him like a father to a son, then it is good. But Father, if that same love you have for him makes you reject my offer to be happy in life, then Father, you're doing the wrong thing, no, and the gods will not be happy with you.
Shut up! I know what to do. I will marry you off and stop all this nonsense.
Father, I'm your only child. You can't do that to me.
All right.
You can't do that to me, oh. You can't do that to me. Father, I deserve to be happy, oh. Etiko, Father, please, no. I want to be happy. 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 But I'll stay here. I would like to hear you come back. I want to be happy. It's my birthright. I'm lying down on the ground. Hey.
Oja, I'm sorry. Please do not be angry with me. She pushed me to it.
And you responded. You responded, Nganga. Why did you not resist the urge to fight her?
I would have resisted it if she had not pounced on me.
It's a thing of shame. A thing of disgrace. What shall I say when they start to whisper it in the village? Oja's wife to be is a maiden who fights. How shall I raise my head and walk around?
What shall I do to make things right? If you want me to go and apologize to Soma, I will. I will go and apologize to her for coming to fight me in my own house. If that will make you happy with me again.
Nganga, I am tired of all those things. I am tired. I want to be left alone. The two of you should please leave me alone. I do not wish to marry anybody again.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Let me do it. Let me do it so that Oja will be happy. Let me do it.
No. Who loses? Who loses, Wanganga? Mama. Who loses?
Father, look, I don't care who this is, okay? But it won't matter then because I would have been dead.
Ta! I say ta! Say may the gods forbid. Suicide shall not find a chair to sit in my family. You shall not take your own life.
Don't worry, Father. I'll be waiting for you there. And by the time you come, many years from now, I would have prepared a good resting place for you to spend eternity. Father, I go now. I go to my death.
Wanganga! Wanganga! Hey! Old age tells on me now. If I were younger, I should have stopped her. I'm on fire! I'm on fire! I'm on fire! Hey! 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 One time.
This life is all about love. This love is all about sacrifice. Love is love. Love is happiness. Love is kind. Love is peace of mind. Love can hurt you. Love can make you.
Someone! Come on, hurry up! Don't keep us waiting forever. Nayachi, Ndewo, Father, Ndewo. Are we the only people you see here? Huh?
Father, I've greeted Oja this morning.
Very good. What about Elochukwu? Have you greeted him? Have you greeted him?
No, Father.
Greet him.
Ndewo, fairest one among the maidens.
I called you out to tell you why they are here. You know Achi. You know Elochukwu. Achi is Elochukwu's father. Elochukwu wants to marry you. That's why they are here. They want to know how soon they can come and pay the bride price, because I have already given them my consent. Now that I want you to know.
Father, does my consent not count in this matter?
No. Your consent does not count at all.
But Father, I'm the one to be married out. And tradition demands that I agree or disagree.
So you are teaching me tradition in front of visitors somewhere? Hey! You are teaching me tradition in front of visitors, eh?
Hey! I am Afugontim. My eyes have seen my ears. My daughter, Wanganga, has run into the bush to take her own life.
What?
Because of Oja's rejection.
Oja! Come on, go on!
Which bush? The bush behind my house.
The gods forbid.
Quickly!
Hey! Oh!
Make sure you stop her!
Hey! 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 Nganga!
Oh! I won!
Nganga!
Let me die for you! What is life worth when I cannot spend it with the only man I've ever loved?
Please come with me.
I want to die!
Gaga, come with me. I will love you. Gaga, I will love you. Please come with me. I will love you. I will love you, Nganga. Please.
Do you swear?
Yes, I do. I will love you.
Hey! Hey! Osefuru was one more! Oda berije nenu manya! Onyakamaka kola kuku wamo! Ewo! Hey! My ancestors, I thank you. I thank you for saving my daughter's life. Hey! So, Nganga, this is what you wanted to do to me. To leave me empty-handed in this world. Hey! Nwa! Obi inu negi.
Nai, it's okay now. Let us go home. I'll take her home.
Is she going to be alright?
Yes, Nai. She won't try to kill herself again. My love will remain with her. I've assured her of that.
Hey!
How could she do such a thing?
I don't know. We were out here talking about Nwanganga, not knowing that she was inside the house, even doing something more serious.
Hey.
What has happened to Soma? Why is she lying out here like this?
She drank excess paraffin oil. But she tried to take her own life. You see, we were all outside here talking. Suddenly I heard her scream. So I rushed inside, and when I got in there, she was clutching her stomach. So I called Olochukwu. He came and helped me to carry her. We are lucky because she has vomited almost all the quantity of paraffin oil she drank.
May God have mercy. Soma. Soma. Soma.
Oja. Oja.
Yes.
King to be. Does my heart still live with you? Look me in the eyes. Look me in the eyes and tell me you don't know.
I don't have time for this. I have work to do at the farm. Yes, my dear sister. We grew up together. My heart will never be apart from you.
I don't want to be your sister. You know what I want to be. You know what I want to be.
Just get well first. Get well and everything will be alright.
We'll all be well.
Yes, everything will be alright. Just get well first.
I will. I'll get well. Now that you've assured me that all will be well, I'll get well.
Now let's take her inside.
The gods have taken on the promise, causing the death of two true daughters of this land.
said the gods have taken Oja. The stranger is no more. The gods have taken Oja for almost causing the death of two true daughters of this land. The stranger is no more. The gods have taken Oja for almost causing the death of two true daughters of this land. The gods have taken Oja for almost causing the death of two true daughters of this land. The gods have taken Oja. The stranger is no more. The gods have taken Oja for almost causing the death of two true daughters of this land. The gods have taken Oja. The gods have taken Oja. The stranger is no more. The gods have taken Oja for almost causing the death of two true daughters of this land. The gods have taken Oja.
What is it? The unexpected has happened. The gods have killed Oja. Hey! They killed him for almost causing the death of Nganga and Soma. May our ancestors protect us. Ide, my brother, what way did this happen?
Wanganga.
Father.
Hey.
What is it?
Oja is no more. He's dead. The gods killed him. They did not like the idea of a common stranger causing trouble between two daughters of this land and leading them to attempt suicide.
Ojankem?
Yes.
Ewo. Chimuanya. Oja. Hey. Ewo.
What happened to my son? Who killed him? What killed him? What did he do? Which of the gods killed him? Amadioha or Aluku? Which one? Why did they kill my son?
Calm down, Ugeze. The gods gathered and took him. Simple. His corpse is right inside there in my inner shrine. And as for the reason for his death, I've already told you that.
The gods gathered and killed my son. All right. Can I see his corpse?
Sophia! Ow! Bano, how can you say that? How can you see the corpse of the one killed by the angry gods?
Good.
He's not done.
What do you mean by that? What do you mean I can't see his corpse? That corpse was my son. He was a very good boy, but he started running after his own sister. If I cannot see his corpse, what about those who are going to bury him? Won't they see his corpse? Won't they see his corpse?
Yes. He will be buried. Oja will be buried. But first, one of the maidens who have loved him must sacrifice her womb, never to bear children.
To fear. Why? Why?
That is what the gods demand. In an exchange for his soul, which they have tied in punishment, awaiting to be freed and set at rest. After which, his body can be buried. Simple.
Cannot be buried, and his soul cannot be freed, except you or Nganga sacrifice your womb in a ritual that will release his soul and set his body free for burial. But any womb so sacrificed can never bear a child till the end of its life. It's strange. But it's strange.
What do you want? Summer, I have come for us to talk. Woman to woman. It's about Oja. I wonder what it is you want to discuss. Or how it connects you. He was my brother. And not yours.
Summer, we both loved him. Or so we claimed. We both wanted to marry him.
Because she wanted to be queen! You knew that he was going to be king when he gets back to his village. Now he's no more. Now tell me, Nganga, how does it feel to see your dreams get as cold as a dog's nose?
Yes, I wanted to be queen.
I had my ambitions.
But difficult as it is for you to believe me, I also loved him. And that is why I have come for us to reason together. I mean, we cannot abandon him now that he's gone.
Nganga, I loved Oja like a brother. Yes. I felt bad 3 days ago when the news of his death came to me. Now, let me shock you a little. The public show I made of loving him, eloping with him, and even wanting to marry him was also a thing of ambition. You think you're the only one who wants to be queen? You think I will let Oja grow under my roof and watch him marry another person and make her his queen? No. Or does the name Queen Soma not sound good on the tongue? Vicious. God. You are even a worse schemer than I ever thought. Then what are you? Are you any good? Are you?
For me, it was not just a thing of ambition. I also loved him. Me that nobody thought really loved him. I still truly love him.
Then what are you waiting for? Go! Give your womb for the freedom of his soul. 'Cause Soma
will do no such thing. I do not have a brother. Do you want my father's lineage to end? Even the matriarch lineage? I'm going home. Going home. Why should you be going home? You should go to the shrine. Oh, don't you love Oja again? Lover of Oja. Nowhere in particular, I just took a walk.
Come nearer. I hope you are not trying to do anything stupid.
Like what, man?
Like sacrificing your own womb to free Oja's soul.
No. How can I do such a thing now? No.
But anyway, is there no other way? Can't the gods accept any other sacrifice that will free the soul of my foster son and release his body for burial? Can they?
No. Nothing else will be done except that which the gods have already demanded for.
But look, if somehow my daughter makes that sacrifice, it means she can never have children of her own. In other words, I will have no grandchildren. Can't you understand that?
Yeah. But Ugeze, didn't she claim to love her while he was alive? Let her save him now. Let her free him now. Don't forget, a soul in the Middle Passage is a restless soul.
But a woman without children is worse than a restless soul. You should understand that. I sincerely hope that the gods find us a way out. I sincerely hope so. I sincerely hope so.
We shall wait upon the gods, and may they guide us.
Please tell me, what did the chief priest say? Because I would not sacrifice my womb for Oja's sake. How could the gods be so wicked? Not to accept any other sacrifice but my womb. How do they expect me to bear children?
Don't talk about the gods like that. Just keep silent and watch how the clouds change shape.
Did you invite him here?
No. He came on his own to tell me how the boy is suffering. How I wish I could send a cow to the gods, even if it be a human head. Send warriors to other lands to go and get me one, but my daughter's womb? God, how could the gods insist on such a sacrifice? Why? Give me some water to drink.
Wanganga, you're welcome.
I have come. I have come to give my womb to the one I love.
You have touched my soul with this gesture. The gods who see in secret and in light will not hesitate to bless you. They're the gods who give you joy and laughter.
No amount of words can bring back my womb after I'm done with this sacrifice. But at least Oja will have peace. And he will know that I truly loved him.
Wanganga, I am surprised. It was someone I expected to come, not you.
Life is not always what it seems. Please, Unai, let us do this sacrifice. For no one knows I'm here. And please, let this be a secret. Do not even tell my father, for he will die of sadness, knowing that I will never be with godchildren. At least now, Oja will have peace. And from the near or far place he has gone, he will know that I love him truly. I didn't just want to be a queen.
It's okay, it's okay.
I love him truly.
It's okay. Take this cup of water and go right inside my inner shrine. When you get there, hold the cup in your 2 hands. Pronounce his name 3 times and drink it. I promise.
I'm not going to answer that one. No. Ask me another one. Oh, Jay, you're naughty.
Okay.
Love away. One leg, love away. This life is all about love. This love is all about sacrifice. Love is joy. Love is happiness. Love is kind. Love is peace of mind. Love can hurt you, love can make you cry. Your love can disappoint you when you need it most. Love Love can hurt you, love can make you cry. You know.
Are you alive? You do not see a spirit. Watch, I shall eat. Does a spirit eat? Oja never died. Oja is alive. Oja will be king and Nganga will be queen. No! 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 The pain of love is only for those who love. So I, who have been loved by two, do know the pains and the betrayals and the trusts that were and are now broken, and the trusts that are, the trusts that have stood the test of death. As sure as the sun rises every morning from the east, you shall be my queen. When I am king, matters are getting very difficult for me to cope with. You must have no doubt heard about the suicide attempts made by the two young women, both for the claim that they cannot live without me. What do I do?
Die.
Eh?
Die! The gods of this land are angry with you because you brought problems between the two daughters of this land. And you being a stranger, the gods of this land killed you.
Wise one, are you saying that the gods are going to kill me? Wise one.
That is the news I am going to spread in the village. If they ask of your corpse, I will tell them it is there right inside my inner shrine. Until a maiden who loves you sacrifices her womb to free your corpse and liberate your soul for eternal rest. This test, Nganga and Somma must pass through.
And where will I be while all this is going on?
Of course, right inside my inner shrine. Resting, eating, sleeping, getting ready to pick your maiden and go home.
Home? Where death awaits me?
Whoever passes this test, I will intercede for you before the Igwe and muster some warriors to take you home and in a battle to reclaim your father's throne.
And what if Nayindozie stands in my way if Somma passes the test?
He will not. Not when I'm on your side. And Igwe himself is also on your side. Don't worry about me. The gods will not punish me if I lie for good. None of them has come yet. Maybe one of them will come. Or none will even come at all.
If nobody comes, I shall come out and declare that I'm alive.
And what will you tell the village you proved?
That a woman's promises are as hollow as the trunk of an oil-bean tree. Strong at the surface, but scratch a little deeper beneath the surface. The smiles, the battered eyelids, the parted lips, just scratch a little deeper and you find a hollow. You cannot trust them.
Life is a learning place, my child. Let us be patient. Someone will come, or no one will come. He was sad and cried in his heart. Still, he will not let his daughter sacrifice her womb to free your soul.
They are the imbecile who broke your sister's water pot.
Yes, Nai. He's the one, but I've made him replace it.
You're lucky I was not there. You have known who I am. Oja, I knew you would defend your sister properly, and I'm happy about it. Now listen to me, young man. The next time you try any such nonsense, I will have Oja tie you to a tree and get someone to flog you until you pass excrement. Is that clear?
And henceforth, I shall stay away from your path in this village. I swear by the gods. Say it!
My sister has commanded you. Do as she says or it will be hot for you again.
I shall stay away from your path. I shall stay away from your path. From this day. I swear by the gods. I swear by the gods.
Has been respected.
Thank you, son. You handled it well, and I'm proud of you. Some more. Let's go.
What of Summa?
She's the one that has shocked me the most. She even hardly came out to greet me until her father summoned her. And when she came out, you could tell from her eyes that she hated me so much for even bringing the supposed message from the gods.
It hurts me, but I'm still thankful that I know the truth. Did you visit Nganga and her father? What did those ones say?
Yeah, I did. And her father did not let me see her. The man gave me a very cold reception. Not even a kola nut was offered to me.
Nai.
Yeah, who is there? Come in. did you find the smile I told you you would find in me?
I not only found a smile, love was waiting for me. Love rose from the dead and smiled an eternal smile, never to die again.
Nai, it is time you give me the warriors you promised me. It is time I take over my father's kingdom. And it is time I go back home.
Yes. Oja, my word is my honor. You shall have an army of warriors to guard you home. But first, you must show yourself to the people.
Love can hurt you, love can